The 6.1-kilometer road links the Cocola factory area to the ELWA junction. It is funded by the World Bank. During the tour, visiting World Bank Executive Director Dr. Tuafali Nyamazabo expressed satisfaction for the progress on the road and added that Liberia stands to benefit more funding once the World Bank projects are implemented efficiently.
So the important thing is really to be able to implement projects efficiently. If you implement projects efficiently, there could be extra resources available. And we are in the process of starting another IDA 20 for the next 3 years. So that is also an opportunity where Liberia could get additional finance.
The road project commenced in 2019 and is expected to be completed in 2022. Acting Public Works Minister Cocola assured of the timely completion of the road and reiterated call on pedestrians and marketers in the red light area to cooperate for the success of the project.
If we do this work, it's in the benefit of all Liberians because we have a paved road and red light of which you will not find a lot of dirt. You will not find people, just flying on the street because they have to pass. And that project also will have an overpass bridge where pedestrians will walk through. So we just need to work together as a team. Like the president has just said, let us all move to Omega markets.
As the road work progresses, standard remains a concern of donors and the public. Emmanuel Becker is the program manager at the Infrastructure Implementation Unit at the Ministry of Public Works.
In terms of the progress of this road, there has been substantial movement in terms of all of the drainage work, in terms of portion of the pavement. It entails also widening of major intersections, including Parker Pit intersection, red light intersection, Dupo Road intersection, and the ELWA intersection.
When completed, the 6.1-kilometer Cocola factory to ELWA Junction Road will increase service delivery and serve as a relief for citizens. Zachariah Jikwe, LNTV News.